In the early morning light, an elegant parrot cautiously approaches a small puddle of water. The rest of the flock has also arrived. They gather at the water's edge to drink. The pool has also attracted a raucous flock of New Holland honeyeaters. They take turns diving into the water to bathe before shaking themselves dry on a nearby perch. Bath time can be a little chaotic. In slow motion we can see two birds collide in their haste to reach the water. A male western whistler approaches the pool. Resplendent in brilliant golden plumage, he quickly bathes in the shallow water at the pool's periphery. A female whistler, perhaps his mate, also arrives to bathe and drink. Her subtle brown plumage is less conspicuous than that of the male, which is perhaps why she seems a little less tentative around the pool. Nearby, a pair of silver eyes have arrived to drink and bathe. These are tiny birds, just 11 centimetres in length. Another honeyeater species arrives. This time it's a pair of crescent honeyeaters. They are named after the conspicuous crescent pattern on the bird's breast, most prominently featured on the male. After a quick dip, the little wet footprints on the dry perch are the only lasting evidence of the honeyeater's morning routine. A beautiful firetail also makes a brief appearance to drink. Its vivid red rump briefly lights up the shadowy edge of the puddle. The elegant parrots have made their return. Their grass-green plumage provides good camouflage against the greenery at the water's edge. Elegant parrots are one of 6 parrots in the genus Neophema which occur in Australia. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.